Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Quandl is a platform that provides financial and economic data, which can be easily accessed and manipulated using Python. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Quandl with Python for data analysis. 1. Install the Quandl library. First, you need to install the Quandl library by running the following command in your terminal or command prompt. 2. Import the Quandl library and authenticate your account. Next, import the Quandl library in your Python script and set your Quandl API key to authenticate your account. You can get your API key by signing up on Quandl's website. 3. Retrieve data from Quandl. You can now use the Quandl library to retrieve data from the Quandl platform by specifying the dataset code. For example, let's retrieve the stock price data for Apple Incorporated, aapl, from the wiki dataset. 4. Perform data analysis. Once you have retrieved the data, you can perform various data analysis tasks using Python libraries such as pandas, numpy, or matplotlib. For example, you can calculate the moving average of the stock price and plot it. 5. Explore more datasets. Quandl offers a wide range of datasets beyond stock prices. You can explore and analyze economic indicators, commodity prices, exchange rates, and more using Quandl's extensive data library. This tutorial provides a basic overview of using Quandl with Python for data analysis. You can further customize your analysis by exploring different datasets and applying advanced analytical techniques.